Hi guys, today I'm gonna tell you how I did in the Red Bull Rubik's Cube World Cup India qualifiers. So let's get started. I had participated in the speedcubing mixed and the fastest hand, which is 3x3 OH, and for both I was maining the RS3M 2020 with different spring settings and weight 3 loop. The solve you are watching on screen now is the first 3x3 solve. It was an easy scramble and I had planned the cross and a rough estimate of the first pair. It was a bit slow, mainly because of the PLL at the end, which was a Z perm, and the AUF. The second solve which you are watching on screen now was great according to me, but because my average is around 24 to 25 seconds and this solve was sub 20. I had planned the cross in the inspection and everything else actually was easy F12 and some light look ahead. At the end in the G perm, I paused a little bit, even though I had seen it. Now for OH, I don't actually practice it, but I had started doing it just for the competition. I was averaging about a minute or sometimes 55 to 56 seconds, and in this competition I had to start without inspection. I don't even know if the scramble was good or not. Anyway, I could have got a PB on the solve, but the E perm at the end ruined it. Everything else was actually good, but that E perm, I even messed up the E perm. In the second solve which you are seeing on screen now, my F12 was slower than it should have been, and that is the main reason for the solve to be slow. At the end, my rank in speed cubing was 77 and in fastest hand it was 34, so it was better than I had expected. That's it for this video. I hope you like it, and don't forget to like and share this video, and subscribe to my channel.